¿Sabe o no lo que empulles? Mira. ¿Qué te
Molt bé.
sembla la
Very
qualitat?
good.
Està bé?
Wow, yes. I don't know why they have these black
Això...
spots. Fongs?
Sí.
Huh?
Papa, no puc trencar el pa.
Això és fong, xuti, enseguida se farà molt bé. S'estendrà ràpid, però bueno, si mengem abans no. Així. Ara.
Come, bring it here, Coca.
N'hem agafat uns quants, xuti, no sé. Mira, Hailey, mira.
Quants. Que la veritat és que menjo un caqui.
Ah, molt bé. Russell also.
Està menjant?
Yes.
Ha anat bé parlar amb la criadora, eh?
Hello guys, good morning. So we are harvesting our persimmons, as you can see. Yes, and also I would like to plant chayote, and those chayote were given by Hailey's Chinese teacher. I cannot see you guys directly because of the sun, sorry. And also because I want to plant those chayote, and they need to, you know, because winter is coming, so I have to plant them in these pots, guys. So what we are going to do, guys, is we are going to harvest our, how do you call this, sweet potatoes, and let's see if they have roots, guys. Okay, so let's go. And also what I'm going to do is I will cut also, guys, the stems of the sweet potatoes, and we can leave it in the water, so in spring or early in the spring, and we can plant those sweet potatoes. I'm sure that they're going to have lots of roots, and they will be ready to plant in spring. Okay guys, so let's see. I'm so excited, and let's see how much sweet potatoes we can get. Okay,
Hi. Say hi, Yami.
Everest is so sleepy.
Say hello. Hello. What's your name? Tata.
Yes, Daddy.
And your name?
Everest has red eyes, Daddy. I think she's so sleepy. Look guys, I can see sweet potatoes in here. Last August I harvested 3 sweet potatoes, guys, because we made how do they call this, not halo but ginitaan. We made ginitaan for a snack or dessert, something like that, and I got 3 potatoes that time, guys. And let's see if we still have, and oh my goodness, look at that. And here is the other one. I checked if they have, just like it has as well. So yes, I am really happy, guys. So what we are going to do, guys, is we will take out these ones, and then we will how do I call this, we will see. Yes, we will take the fruit. Can you see? This is the mother sweet potato, guys. It's so big. Can you see? So we are going to take this one first. But this is the mother. This is the sweet potato I planted before, Daddy.
Oof. No fruits.
This one looks like small. They didn't grow well. No?
No, it seems no.
No, okay.
Me.
Me.
Tita, akaba?
There are, but very tiny. And they didn't finish to develop, right?
No.
Because I think the pot is very small for them to grow. Oh, nothing. It's nothing in here. Oh my god.
Oh.
But next year, I'm sure we will have big harvest next year. Oh my goodness. Look, Daddy. They grow inside, but they didn't finish to develop. No?
Better to plant to the soil.
Yes. So our experience is, can you see? What a pity.
Not successful.
For this one.
Sweetie, your mobile is with me, huh?
Yeah.
I like here in the field. See?
Oh! Oh my gosh!
I can see it.
Finally!
Wala.
Wow.
Check it well.
Yes, maybe the other one too, no?
Here.
Wala. Tara na.
But it's more heavy, the mother, than all the others.
Yeah, oh my gosh. I think that the chickens, they like to eat this. It has lots of protein for the chickens.
What's
Daddy.
this?
I don't know the name, but we
You know
put
it?
a balloon. Yes.
Look at
Aquesta es el que menja com es diu, the roots, Daddy, of plants.
It's a worm.
It's a kind of worm, yes.
So big, huh?
So many roots inside, but no
Ui,
fruit.
li agrada, Ell està tancant els ulls així. Apretant els ulls i tot, mira. Tonto, molt tonto.
This is the only I harvested from this big pot, but this one is the plant that I planted, the sweet potato that I planted, and the other one is here. This pot I harvested this last August. I also harvested 3 of these. They are very small. I think they don't have enough space to grow in here. The pot is very small. Right?
Good, yeah.
Okay, now we are going to plant this one in here. No, Daddy?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So this is the sayote seed, very big one, and this is the one that we are going to plant in here. And then this one, I'm going to plant it here as well. I have to fill soil, and then in spring or in summer, do you think this one will have enough space to live?
For which one?
For this?
How it grows?
It's like carabasa, that a lot. This one, yes.
Maybe you have to you can start and then transplant to a bigger one. €1? Vinga, doncs €1 te'l pago jo per un gelat.
So, we leave it here. The weather is still warm during daytime, and during nighttime and very early in the morning is quite a bit cold. But I think the chayote is very strong enough to live here. Then we will water it. I hope the dogs won't come and eat them. take some tomatoes. My tomatoes are still growing so well, but this one guys is not good. So let's take the ones that are ripe. This one is bull's heart tomato, guys, and look, there's insect eating it. Oh my gosh. So let's take this. Wow, look at that, so nice. Huh. Another one here. And I have so many chilies, guys. Look. Peppers, tomato. Look at this beautiful tomato. Let's take it and it will ripen inside the house. And I also have in here, this one is not totally ripe yet, and so many fruits here, look. And oh my goodness, they're still developing, guys, but the weather is getting cold, so I'm not sure if they will finish to ripen. So I take this is ripe already. And yeah, so ayan guys, marami pang bunga ng tomatoes natin. And also some of the snails are eating them, but this one, guys, I have quite big in here. Look, next time, guys, next year I know now how to cultivate tomatoes. And we're going to prepare the garden better, the beds and all that stuff. I put them in here, guys, because you know what, our dogs, they go and dig them, so I put them in here in a very small space, because the big ones, guys, you know that the dogs, they went there, so yes, they stomp the vegetables and all that. So much better if we will prepare it next time, so we will have a better yield. And here are our harvest. I'm going to cook lauoy or dinengdeng. I took this one already, guys, because it's cold, so I'm not sure if this one can manage to grow, so better I took it and we're going to eat it. So ayan guys, we have this squash. If you do not know, these squash tops, they are tender and they are really good. This one as well, you can eat this one as well. Yes, so I'm going to cook. And also the flowers, guys, they are also edible. All of these are edible. So yes, I am very happy because even in autumn we have harvest, and also we learned a lot. That way next time we will make it better. And now let's go inside and let's cook for lunch. So guys, this is our harvest from our olive tree yesterday afternoon. And also this is our harvest from our persimmons and the vegetables. And we didn't take the eggs, no, Daddy?
No.